In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 143 error code on your Canon Pixma E3370 printer. This also applies to many similar Canon Pixma models. Error 143 usually happens because an ink cartridge is not installed correctly or because the printhead has overheated. Follow these simple steps to fix it. For that, 1. Make sure the printer is turned on and the power light is solid green. 2. Open the front cartridge access door and wait until the carriage stops moving. 3. Remove the black and color cartridges one by one. Press down and pull out gently. 4. Check each cartridge for tape, stickers, or dirt blocking the contacts or nozzles. 5. Inspect the cartridge slots inside the printer for any obstructions. 6. Reinsert the cartridges firmly until they click. Black on the right, color on the left. 7. Close the front door and check if the 143 error disappears. If the printer is overheating, 8. Turn the printer off and wait until all lights go off. 9. Unplug the power cable from the wall. 10. Hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds to drain any remaining power. 11. Plug it back in and turn it on after waiting a minute or two for cooling.